Hi everybody, this is Susan from Srstyle. Everybody's having a great day and being safe. We just got back to our weekly grocery and we bought some groceries obviously, and we did get the last toilet paper. So I guess you have to get there in the morning basically before 8 o'clock in order to get anything. So we started out early and we were able to get one set of toilet paper among some other things that we couldn't get before. So it's not the best, but we're hanging in there and I hope everybody's doing the same. Today I have an unboxing from Pandora. It was one of my rose gold charms that was on back order. And they finally got it in, and it was the one that only had 2 and I got 1 type of thing. So they're limited in stock as well. And so if you are going to be buying anything from Pandora and you want something, you need to just buy it, because otherwise you may not get it. So like I said, if you're new, please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And if you're returning, thanks so much for your support. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. And if anybody wants to do any collaborations, let me know. I'm very interested. Okay, so it comes in a box like this. And these boxes are really hard to open. So they tape them up like they're like $1 million items. So let me see here. Oh, that was a lot easier than last time. I had to spend, what, a couple minutes, 3 or 4 minutes on the box. All right. Okay. All right, so it says Pandora. Got my invoice there. Oh, and they gave me a little care and warranty card. That's new. I didn't get one on any of my Pandora charms. This is the only one that I received. Okay. And they gave me a little pouch that says Pandora. And it comes in like that. And they give you all the pink, which is pretty normal. Alright, let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Huh, that's pretty nice. So that's going to go on my rose gold bracelet that my husband Ted bought me for Mother's Day. So I thought that was really super nice. Yeah, this is really nice. Look at this.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little hard to see. It's kind of, but you get the idea. I'll leave a picture. But it's pretty cool though. And then it says, I will always love you. Wow, that's pretty cool. Thanks, Ted. I will always love you.
Yeah.
And he always loves me. Okay, you can kind of see a little bit. That's the second heart. And then there's a heart underneath with a little purple stone. And that matches my February birthstone. And then on the top is really cool. It has like little stones on it. Alright, so that's my unboxing for today. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Srstyle, from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.